So I'm making this video because I recently installed a oil block-off kit. I took off the oil pump and installed a kit. Can't really see it, but it goes right down there. You can kind of see the plate. Anyways, after I did that, I put it all back together and it wouldn't turn over. So what I did is I pulled the spark plugs out and it started working. So it wasn't the starter. I went online and looked at some YouTube videos, and some other people were saying it might be the wires. Check your connections. Check your battery. I checked my battery. It was a little low. I didn't think that it wouldn't start. So I kept messing with it. I took all the wire connections from the starter off and cleaned those up and put them back on. And then just after hours of aggravation and not knowing what was going on, looking up YouTube videos, just thinking the worst, thinking I left something disconnected, whatever. It ended up being the battery. My battery wasn't charged, and that was the culprit. I let it charge fully, waited patiently, and it started right up. Now, mind you, after I did the oil block-off kit, I have not started it, so all the gas lines were drained. The engine needed to be primed in order for it to start. So that's what I did. I installed the block-off plate. I thought I messed something up. Ski wouldn't start. Thought the worst. Freaked out. And it ended up just being the battery. Probably going to go and get a new battery here soon for it. This is a 97 GTX. I just bought it like 3 weeks ago. So the guy said it had a brand new battery in it. And so kind of took his word for it. It looks new, but I don't really know. So that's what it is. This is the charger I'm using. I'm not really sure if it works all that well. It keeps stopping at like 65% on the voltage, and it'll just stay there at 65, and then if I unplug it, it'll, jump up to 70 or what have you. Sometimes it'll already be at 100. You just unplug it, plug it back in, and then the battery percentage will kick on until you 0 to 100. So that's it. That was my problem. It was just the battery, not the starter, not solenoid, nothing like that. So, thank God. Y'all have a good day.